So I'm standing here, guys. Whatever the things going on. So another thing which comes in my mind is that there also there also the fixed match. Another match was also fixed because in Portugal versus Spain. The things that I have seen, which is that when Ronaldo fell two times, uh, two times when when the Spanish players attacked on him, when the Spanish players tackled him, and yes, I got the word tackle. Then referee didn't give the foul, and that only cost the Portuguese player in a big loss, where from which Ronaldo aren't able to bear with that. And one of the main thing that Portuguese players' boots were just broken, on the thing. The fabric was gone when Spanish players him, tackled that Portuguese player, and that was I think Bruno Fernandes, but they didn't give the foul, and it's so sad that every time the match is been fixed. So what is the point of the FIFA World Cup if it is fixed? If it is fixed and you are just trying to blame the players, if you just trying to call every team to play in this event, so what is the point if the match is fixed? It's unfair, definitely unfair, and I not accept this. Anyways, bye.